Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, I'm Maria Destiarani from 5TP1 class, and now I will present my project on syntax analysis, focusing on how sentences are structured and how constituents function within them. Okay, we will look at key concepts, properties of syntax, phrase structures, and the result of constituency test. Okay, the first one is, what is syntax? Syntax is the study of how words combine to form meaningful sentences. It is not just about word order but about the hierarchical organization of words and phrases. Understanding syntax helps us see how sentences are built and how grammatical rules govern their structure. And next is properties of syntax. Okay, there are three important properties of syntax. The first one is hierarchy. Words form phrases, which form clauses, creating nested structures. Second, recursion. These phrases and clauses can be embedded infinitely, allowing complex sentences. And the last one is structure dependence. Okay, these rules apply to structural relationship, not just linear word order. Okay, for example, the sentence is the little girl with the red dress smiled. Here, the little girl is a noun phrase, and with the red dress is a prepositional phrase embedded within it. Okay, next is lexical and grammatical categories. Every word has a lexical category, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, pronouns, and determiners. For example, in the sentence, she smiled warmly as the children ran through the autumn leaves. She is a pronoun, smiled a verb, warmly an adverb, as a subordinating conjunction, and children and leaves are nouns, and autumn is an adjective. Words also have grammatical features such as number, tense, person, case, and gender. For instance, she is third person singular, nominative case, feminine, and smile is past tense, agreeing with the subject. And the next is phrase structure analysis. We analyze three sentences using phrase structure trees to show their hierarchical organization. Okay, for example, she smiled warmly as the children ran through the autumn leaves. Contains NP, C, VP, smiled warmly as the children ran through the autumn leaves. The GP as the children, CV as the children ran through the autumn leaves, and the PP through the autumn leaves. Okay, this analysis shows how sentences are composed of nested constituents that function together to convey meaning. And the next is constituency test. Okay, to confirm constituents, we applied substitution, movement, coordination, and clipping test. Example 1. The company reported a sharp increase in the profits during the last quarter. Substitution reported it confirms NP. And the movement, during the last quarter, the company reported this confirms PP. And the coordination, a sharp increase and a rise in revenue. This is compares NP. Example 2. The sentence, she smiled warmly as the children ran through the autumn leaves. Substitution, she did so. This is VP is a constituent. And the second one, movement. As the children ran, she smiled warmly. This is Chiefy is a constituent. And the last one, clifting. It was as the children ran that she smiled warmly. This is confirms the Chiefy. And the result and the end discussion. Okay, from the test, from the paper, we learned that sentences are hierarchically structured. Constituent act as building blocks: NP, VP, PP, and CP. Structure dependence governs grammar rules applied to phrase relationship, not just word order. Tests that failed, such as substituting incomplete phrases, help identify phrase boundaries. And the reflection is what I learned from this project. Syntax is about structure, not just word order. And then the constituency test reveal how phrases and clauses function as single unit. And the most challenging part was applying tests correctly, especially for complex sentences. Syntax analysis help us understand language deeply, showing how words combine to create meaning and how sentences are systematically structured. Okay, from the conclusion, the last one. Okay, in conclusion, this project shows that sentences are built from hierarchical constituents. Syntax analysis allow us to identify these units, understand their function, and explain grammatical relationship. This understanding is useful in language teaching, writing, and communication. Okay, maybe that's all from me, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.